Okay, we've let this set up real good and dry. So we'll use our palm sander for the big areas. And then I've got these small brush and small sanders for the areas that we can't reach with our big sander. That's what this is good for. And then the palm sander. So we're going to give it a good sanding down, then we'll touch up spots where it needs to be touched up, and then we should be ready to start painting it. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Thanks.